Hello Physics, greetings from my kitchen again. So we are going to be using this site called Pivot Interactives for our upcoming labs. They're video-based labs and they're pretty cool. Also, this comes from the Vernier company, the company where we got Logger Pro from. So it's going to be a familiar format for you. So that'll be good as well. In a previous post on Canvas, I had given them information for the website and for joining the class, and you should have done that. Most of you have. If not, make sure you take care of that first. So you're going to go here and you're going to log in. So you just type in your email address and your password that you chose. And when you get in there, you get to the screen right here, which shows you your class, and it should say CAP Physics. And there's an assignment right here, and it's called Intro to Pivot, and it's a rolling ball challenge lab. So you can go there and click View, and it should open up for you. And then it's split up into parts for you. So what you're going to be doing today is just learning how to play around with the system and how to do it. There's a small assignment associated with it, but it's pretty easy. So each of the parts has these drop downs and you can collapse them or you can open them up. Part one is right here and it has a little video. It just tells you the video shows a ball rolling to the right. Assume the ball continues rolling past the flag, but the video stops before the ball gets to the flag. And these are pretty easy controls to work with. There's the play button, obviously here, which plays the video. You can advance it frame by frame. You can rewind frame by frame, okay? And we've done some of that when we did our video analysis labs. You can move it ahead frame by frame. Up here in the top right-hand corner of the video, these are called the tools. And you click and open that up and you can have a stopwatch, and I'll put a stopwatch on the screen for you. And you can have a measurement tool and you can position that wherever you'd like it. And this first video is just something to look at and check out that has a question here for you. And you just type your response right here, right in the box, okay? And that will be submitted directly to me. So I'll see, you see it says saved up here. At the end, I think you have to submit the whole thing, but I will see your response then. So that part one was just kind of an intro to the stuff. In part two, when you open that up, okay, it shows you again a ball rolling to the right, okay, and you can click play again. You probably have to wait for the video to load completely. Let's just refresh that here. Once the video is loaded, it'll roll all the way to the right, okay, play it again and again if you'd like. Okay, and this gives you instructions here to click on the toolbox, and you're going to practice using the stopwatch to time how long it takes until it gets to the end of the flag. Type your response in the box. And then you're going to use the ruler to measure how far the ball traveled. Okay, type your response in the box. Part three, you're going to be actually making a model for the motion of the ball. There's a lot of instructions here. Really what you have to do is use the stopwatch to measure your time. Place the ruler so you can measure the position of the right edge of the ball. And again, start it right at the front edge. Like it says in here that I would like you to use trial 2, okay? So it says right here, select trial 2 and click go. And make sure you're using trial 2, just a reminder there. So how you do that, this has a whole bunch of different videos all set up. You see at the bottom here, it says trial 1, which is checked. Okay, I want you to do trial 2. So you go here, you click trial 2, hit go, and then you'll have trial 2's video. And then you can collect your data from trial 2. Your data gets typed into a data table here. You can relabel the data table just like we did in Logger Pro always. You can label it distance, distance, and you can put your units in here, and you could do time, and you put your units in here. And then you will get it to plot your graph. Okay, it'll plot your graph here for you, and it should label it. If you labeled it nicely, you can hit linear regression, and it'll put the best fit line and the equation on there for you. And then it asks you down here in this box to write your equation in the y equals mx plus b form. Don't use y or x, of course, use distance and time because you're looking at that. And then the last part here is you're going to make a prediction. So this equation is a model. A model is a representation, and you're going to use that to predict the time it would take for the ball to reach all the way to the flag. And then in part 4, you're going to test it out. And when you're done, you can hit save and close, and it'll be submitted to me, and I'll have it, and we'll be good to go. Hope that works well for you. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have fun, play around with it a little bit. Check it out. Bye, guys.